Hi, in front of me is iPad Air 2020 and today I would like to show you how to set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap Touch ID and Passcode. Go into Turn Passcode on and tap on Passcode options. Pick one of them. So now I have to enter my passcode and repeat it. For security, you can enter your Apple ID password, but I don't want to do that, so I will just click Cancel and wait. Now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!